thought I'd share with you something we do while we read aloud science, or rather while Christine reads aloud our Sassafras science book. I pull out our Lego bins full of all the Legos we don't have anything for, and we build things. Today we built this really cool fidget cube, and I got the idea from Lemon Lime Adventures, and she basically gives you directions of how you can use different Legos you have to build your own fidget cube instead of having to buy one. And this is what our son built while we were reading. What is it, buddy?
It's a Star Wars ship, and that part is the space shuttle, that part is the drone, that part is the control.
So as I said, building with Legos is one of the ways we focus as we read our science out loud. Can you tell me one thing you learned about fingernails today?
The fingernails protect your fingertips.
Yep.